it's so wet. Oh. Whew. I felt it.
A big storm. But it is moving pretty damn slow.
Will it reach? Damn, he almost hit him.
Huh. It was pretty damn close.
I'm sure you guys can see all of the storm clouds surrounding us right now. And we're supposed to have sporadic thunderstorms or rain kind of like all day. So we kind of just had to throw a Hail Mary out there and send it for a few hours before we head over to our friend's house.
Is your mic inside your helmet?
Dinner. Yeah? Why?
I can barely hear you. I got a bunch of wind noise. Something about Hail Mary.
Do you see it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's in here. I wasn't talking to you though, I was talking to the camera.
Oh.
So at least hopefully the DJI picked it up. There's a lot more wind coming up my helmet.
Yeah. Oh, bunny.
But anyway, we're heading to our friends. We do a family dinner on Sundays. Not every Sunday, but it's just a bunch of friends that we get together because I guess, you know, it's cute. We think of each other as family, and everybody will bring something. So I think we're gonna smoke chicken tonight and have some mashed potatoes and probably some other goodies. Here lately in northern Kentucky, it's been just on and off rain for the past 3 weeks or so, I'd say.
Probably like months. I think we had a few good days.
Yeah, for work, we have had a lot of exterior projects that we've had to postpone because of the rain. So our schedule's a little messed up right now, and I always hate postponing people just because it messes up the whole schedule, and then you're stressed out about getting people in. But either way. This is a really cool little boat path.
I kind of want to... Oh, what was that?
You want to turn around?
Oh, there's a giant catfish. Holy sh... There's a bunch of them. Oh, no way. I bet you this creek flooded.
You bet what?
And the catfish got up in here or something. Or they were filleted here because
Are they
there's
dead?
some giant catfish in this creek. Oh, there's a whole bag. I mean, those things are huge. Yeah, there's a whole bag of them.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Those things are massive.
That's crazy. Huh. Any over there?
No. So there's only 3.
It looks like it.
Those are big.
Yeah, that one right there is huge. Okay. You ride?
Nah, it's okay. I feel like I'm running so weird.
Yeah. I do have to say I love the way the KTM looks. Like black and orange in the middle of the woods always looks good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, next to the green.
That guy was flashing his lights, so I'm guessing there's a cop up here. He must be having a tractor show. Yeah. The only one in town. Turning right up here. 45 acres. Damn, there's a graveyard up there. That'd be a good spot. Somebody's Amazon package. Butts. That road back there was Butts Lane. Butts. That was a good road. 1053. Oh, look at the horses. Get out of the way, Jesus. I don't even know what he was chasing after. Looks the same. That's such a big project. Another turtle.
Yeah.
Probably raining.
Was that truck wet?
Yeah, I think it's raining just north of us right now. Definitely raining over there. Yeah, it's raining right there.
Do you want to stop and put the Sony away?
Yeah. If I see a good spot to pull over. We weren't south for long enough. Fuck.
Oh my god. Oh, we could have just stopped under that.
I was thinking about hanging out there for a second.
First time driving in the rain on a bike.
Well, I guess we'll head, since we're next to Williamstown, we'll head to Williamstown. Well, I don't know.
We're still a good ways.
Because at least in Williamstown we can find a spot to wait it out. But it's Sunday, so there's probably not shit open.
We probably should have turned around.
Yeah, the storm's not a big storm, but it is moving pretty damn slow. I guess I'm gonna turn around up here. Yeah, because we're still a minute from fucking the.
Like we're just driving more and more into it.
What was that?
I feel like we're driving more and more into it.
Oh, well, yeah. Yeah, it's heading east. Holy shit. That's a fucking curve right there.
Oh.
I think I had us turning right here. Yeah, Hog Ridge. I helped pour that.
Who is it?
I don't know. I just helped pour the floor in there with Trent and James. Damn. A big old brick house. You hang
My
out in
butt is so.
that trailer. Underneath that barn.
Oh, it's so
At least
wet.
this way we're heading
Oh.
north. They had like an Arizona license plate.
Ooh, oh my goodness. I'm so slippery right now. Ooh. I felt it. The bike was just the no grip.
Right? I mean, I wonder if there was even a bridge there before.
It was kind of a mix.
Like
It was
back
like a
tire
mix of
kick out
both.
or
At least when
front
I
tire?
looked at my front tire, which is the only one that I can see, it was like gray, like the stuff that we just went through.
Joe is 60. Kentucky Historic Farm. That's the first time I've ever seen that. A historic farm? Wonder what used to be there. That was a really nice rock wall.